My name is Saraswati. I am studying MCOM first year. I am going to take a subject. The subject name is Total Quality Management. Let's see what is the meaning of the Total Quality Management. Total Quality Management is an enhance to the traditional way of doing business. The meaning of total is made up of the word, and quality meaning is the degree of excellence a product or service provides, and management meaning is the art of handling, controlling, directing, and etc. Then, total quality management, and it is the application of quantitative methods and human resources. They are to improve all the process within an organization, and they exceed the customer needs now and in the future. And definition of quality is quality can be quantified as follows, where Q equal to P by E. Meaning is Q equal to quality, P equal to performance, and E equal to expectation. And next topic is dimensions of quality. First one is performance, fulfillment of primary requirement. That is the performance or the primary operating characteristics of a product or service. For example, if we take a car means it is give the speed and acceleration, and for a restaurant means it is giving a good food. This shows how they are performing in their product. And second one is features, additional things that enhance performance. Features are the secondary characteristic of a product or service. For example, we take a restaurant means it is a linen tablecloth and napkins. And third one is conformance, meeting specific standards set by the industry. Conformance are the match with specifications or pre-established standards. Example, for a part, it is whether this part is the right size. And for a restaurant meat, it is whether the meat is cooked according to your request. This shows we want to check whether it is right or wrong before we are providing the product. And fourth one is reliability, consistent performance over a period of time. Reliability or the frequency with which a product or service fails. For example, for a car, it is how often it needs repair. And for an airline means it is how often flight departs on schedule. And the fifth one is durability, long life and less maintenance. Durability or product life. For example, for a light bulb, it is how long it works before the filament burns out. And the sixth one is service, ease of repair, guarantee and warranty. Serviceability or the speed, courtesy and competence of repair. For example, if we take a car, it is how quickly and easily it can be repaired and how long it stays repaired. And it is for a mail order house means it is the speed and courtesy with which an overcharge is corrected. Seventh one is appearance, reliability or the frequency with which a product or service fails, aesthetics or fits and finishes. For example, for a product or service means it is like look, feel, sound, taste or smell. And eighth one is image, that is perceived quality or a reputation. Example is for a product or service, it is a positive or negative feelings people attach to any new offerings based on their past experiences with the company. And next topic is the 7 dimensions of service quality. First one is time and timeliness, customer waiting time, on time completion. And second one is completeness, customers get all they ask for. And third one is courtesy, treatment by employees. Fourth one is consistency, same level of service for all customers. And the fifth one is accessibility and convenience, ease of obtaining service. Sixth one is accuracy, performed correctly every time. Seventh one is responsiveness, reactions to special circumstances or requests. We will see what the question arises in the 7 dimensions of service quality. First one is time and timeliness, and they are asking how long must a customer wait for a service and it is completed on time, and it is an overnight package delivered overnight. And second one is completeness, and they are asking everything customer asked for provided, and it is a mail order from a catalog company complete when delivered. And third one is courtesy, how your employees treated the customers. And second one is our catalog phone operators nice and their voice is pleasant. And fourth one is consistency, is the same level of service provided to each customer and each time, and is your newspaper delivered on time every morning. Fifth one is accessibility and convenience, how easy is to be obtained service, does a service representative answer your calls quickly. Sixth one is accuracy, is the service performed right every time, is your bank or credit card statement correct every month. Seventh one is responsiveness, how well does the company react to unusual situations. And How well is a telephone operator able to respond to a customer's question? These are the questions in the 7 dimensions of service quality. That's it. Thank you.